What's up, money ninjas? It's your money mentor from the Hidden Dollar. Today, we are diving into the chaos of the stock market because apparently it's on fire and everyone's freaking out. The stock market is over. Sell everything before Trump's trigger a recession. The sky is falling. Sounds familiar? Yeah, the media in its full panic mode and social media's dumpster fire of hot takes. But here's the thing, panic is for amateurs. If you've been following me, you know I am a serious investor and a little obsessed with the stock market. So, before you hit the sell button and cry into your pillow, let's take a deep breath and look at the bigger picture. Because here's the twist, this crash might not be what it seems. Stick with me and I'll break it down for you. The three triggers behind this crash. Why Trump might be playing 4D chess. How you can profit from the chaos. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Trump's trade war, aka the tariff tango. What's the deal? Trump's been slapping tariffs on everything like it's Black Friday. From Canadian steel to Chinese goods. He's basically saying America's first, everyone else pay up. Why it's messy? History repeats itself. Remember the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act of 1930? Yeah, that helped. Triggered the Great Depression. Higher prices. Business don't eat the cost. They pass it to you. Think pricier cars, gadgets and even groceries. The global backlash. Countries like China are forming alliances. BRICS, anyone? To trade without the US? The hidden dollar take. Trump's not dumb. He's a businessman. My theory. He's using tariffs as a negotiation tactics to get better deals. But the uncertainty is spooking investors. And when investors panic, the market crashes. Pro tip. Don't freak out. If Trump pulls this off, it could pay off big. But if he doesn't, well, buckle up. Number 2. Trump's NATO drama, aka the World Police Retirement Plan. What's the deal? Trump's been questioning NATO, saying the US shouldn't defend allies unless they pay up. Sounds fair, right? Except it creates a power vacuum that countries like Russia and China would love to fill. Why it's scary? Markets hates uncertainty. Investors panic at the first sign of global instability. Higher military spending, more conflict is equals to more spending is equals to higher risk. Energy price spikes. Wars mess with oil's prices and guess who pays? You. The hidden dollar take. If NATO weakens, it could lead to a domino effect of chaos. But hey, at least we'll have a cheaper Netflix subscription, right? Oh wait. Number 3. Trump's secret plan, aka the 4D chess move. What's the deal? Here's where it gets spicy. There is a theory that Trump might be purposely crashing the market. Why? It's genius or crazy. Lower interest rates. If market crashes, the Fed has to cut rates to save the economy. Cheaper debts. The massive rebound. Once rates drop, the market could bounce back big. The hidden dollar take. If this theory is true, we are looking at a temporary crash followed by a massive recovery. So instead of panicking, this could be your chance to buy the dip. How you can profit? Step 1. Invest while the market's down. Stocks are on sale. People, if you never invested before, this could be your golden opportunity. Step 2. Stay disciplined. Don't let fear dictate your decisions. Stick on a long-term strategy like dollar cost averaging. Step 3. Diversify. Don't pull your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across stock, bonds, real estate, and even crypto. So what's the verdict? Is Trump crashing the market on purpose? Maybe. But here's the real question. What are you going to do about it? If you're ready to turn chaos into cash, hit like button and subscribe to the Hidden Dollar and let's grow your wealth together. And remember, the best investors don't panic, they profit.